All right, so the stylist has the scissors. Looks like he's cutting quite a bit of hair off and doing more of like a shoulder length cut. Lots of volume with this one through the use of the blowout. Ooh, wow, her hair looks beautiful. Look at all of that volume. The layers really just added a lot of movement and body to her strands. She looks absolutely breathtaking. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas and transformations. Next up, we have the stylist doing some 90s layers. This is a very popular hair trend that we're seeing right now. A nice variation of the layered haircut. And you can do this with curly hair, straight hair, really doesn't matter. It is going to instantly give you some volume and shape to your hair. Now, what's nice about this particular look that he's doing is that she does have a pop of color mixed in. If you can see it going there through the bangs and the side. And this is also going to add some overall interest to the hair. Now this to me is kind of like a cross between a shaggy cut and a wolf cut, which are both trending as well. I love the fact that the stylist is showing us his exact technique for getting this look. This is beautiful, wow. And once again, that pop of color is really just adding some interest to the hair. Very cool. So as we get into our next hair transformation, I hope that you guys are feeling inspired by all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you've been on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle, you definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of these looks and hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And without further ado, let's take a look at some more beautiful hairstyle transformations.